What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing Princess Peach from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Let's go! You have to record the box. Try to record the box.
Everything seems good. They dare me to watch. My dad, you can. YouTube. It's a
Nice. Good shot. Good shot.
He comes with this umbrella.
That's all she comes with, an umbrella.
Yeah.
Give her a turn around. Oh, good job. She doesn't move from the bottom. It's just her dress is a one piece. Moves on the side. Her arm moves.
Get off of me.
A little bit of articulation in her hands. Quick little shot right here. Mario holding the princess's hand. Mario has a lot of circulation. You could pose him a little bit more. The figures on these eyes are really cool. Yeah. Both of them.
Mario, help me.
Oh no, the princess needs help. Get off my princess, you evil guy. You want her? You gotta come get her. Ha ha ha.
You can't stop me.
Here we go. Pop, pop, pop. Wow. It's time for a mushroom. Good, 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 good. Okay, guy, let's go. Where is the princess? Where is the princess?
He's over there in the cage.
Here you go, you bad guy.
Help Mario.
Save me.
Mario, please save me.
I'm coming, Princess Peach.
You need to break it. You need to eat a mango.
You're right. I need another mushroom. Oh, oh, oh. Now I am strong. Get out of the way, Peach.
Oh. Thank you so much, Mario.
You're welcome, my princess.
Thanks.
What's your favorite thing about the princess?
It helps Mario fix everything.
Oh, yeah. She gets saved by Mario a lot, huh?
Yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.